This is the #1 problem why you have low oil pressure on your Chevy Vortec V8 engine, 4.8, 5.3, 6.0. So we got 2006 Chevy Silverado. It's the same on this as it is on the Chevy Avalanche. This is where I perform this service on. I'm gonna show you on this. Exact same procedure, exact same parts, exact same engines. It's got a little O-ring. It goes on the bottom of the tube, and that's what seals the tube to the engine block, and it allows the oil pump to suck it from the bottom of the oil pan into the engine. They go bad, they get hard, they're in there for 20 years. When they do, you lose oil pressure. So here's your O-ring right here. This old one is bad, man. It's rock solid, not sealing well. So we got a new O-ring. We're gonna get in there and make sure to get all this gunk off of, the pickup tube and the oil pan, clean it out. Put that new O-ring on there, tighten it all back down, and then it's good to go. As far as O-rings go, don't just grab one off the shelf. Don't try to match it up. This is a part number. You're gonna want the right one. You're gonna wanna make sure it can resist the heat and the oil so it doesn't swell or get damaged. We want the perfect part in there because we ain't taking all this stuff back apart twice. So the hardest part is getting the oil pan off. If you have a 4x4, it is not fun. Two-wheel drive is easy. Drain the oil, drop the oil pan, get in there, get that tube removed, get your new O-ring and put it on there. Tighten it all back up, bolt it all back up, fresh oil, and you're good to go. 4x4, you gotta move a bunch of 4x4 stuff out of the way. Not fun. Of course, when you're doing this procedure, you're gonna wanna make sure to get a new oil pan gasket so you don't have any leaks, and you're gonna wanna get a new bypass gasket, for that bottom part of the engine down in there. They always leak. This way, you're not gonna have any problems in the future. Get everything fixed up, swapped out. You should have good oil pressure. Don't forget to drop me a huge thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Chevy truck tip videos in the future. Later.